Presenting Colorx. Color stories at your fingertips.
Although we provide variety of color palettes, you can also create your own color palettes.
To add a new color, you can simply load any JPEG image, and drag any color of your choice, and drop it onto the required box of the color palette.
Let's load a JPEG image and demonstrate.
To create a new color palette from the loaded JPEG image of a mood board, let's first reset the existing color palette.
Now, simply drag and drop any color from this image to add to the color palette.
And so on.
Let's save this color palette.
Now, you can use this color palette to create color stories.
To demonstrate, let's load a color-replaced image.
Load the newly created color palette.
Press the Auto button at the top to create color stories. And so on.
Colorx would be extremely helpful to quickly get numerous color options during range presentation,
as this software is flexible enough to accommodate various color palettes. You have the freedom to work on different color palettes of your choice, based on different themes, like seasonal color palettes, and colors based on moods, or families of colors, etc.
Now, let's create a few color stories based on different color themes by loading the corresponding palettes.
Let's create color stories in the palette of earth colors.
And so on.
Let's create color stories in the palette of cool colors.
And so on.
With Colorx, you are never short of color stories.
Thank you for watching.